Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this in-depth sticky password review, we will explore its key features to help you decide if it is the best password manager for you. So to get started with the important information about this sticky password, have you ever had too many passwords to keep track of? It can be a real headache. So sticky password is like a super safe digital notebook for all your login. It helps you create a strong secure password for all your online accounts. Think of it this way: you only need to remember one super strong key called your master password. This single key unlocks all your other passwords safely stored inside your sticky password. It uses strong encryption to keep everything secure and private, while it has a different pricing option. The main idea is to make password management easy and keep your online safe and sound. And talking about the key features of this platform, we have a wide range of key features. So sticky password does a good job of saving password, but it is also some extra cool features that make it stand out from other free password manager. These features make managing your online life even easier and more secure. So to get started with the features, let's check them out. So one of the first features is the autofill and auto login. Then together with we have something called a secure note, which help you save, place, or jot down important info that's not a password. Also, we have this one of these features called synchronization. If you use more than one device, you will love the synchronization to these features, and also it will be extended to other password. So I have another features called digital wallet. Imagine having your important payment information safely stored and ready when you need it. You were shopping online, it can automatically fill these details, making checkout faster and easier. It also have this countless connect, so you can try it out to see how it works out. And here's the pricing plan. We have different pricing plan on this platform. We have the free trial, we have the lifetime, then we have the annual payment. So you can get back to the website to see the key features that is enlisted on each and the pricing plan to know which plan is best suited for you. Thanks.